Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest Stitch Fix. So I have the Stitch Fix Style Pass, and I'm always getting quick turn boxes every time I check out. So you're probably going to see more Stitch Fix than you do almost anything else, just because they offer the quick turnaround. I don't have to pay a styling fee, so why not? If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks outside with me today. Loki is the white pupper, Dexter is the beagle, and Willie is my son's dog. He's a Jack Russell. My kitty's out here too. His name is Harvey, but I think he disappeared because of all the puppy mania. I sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Alright, so I think we're all pretty familiar with Stitch Fix, although they have been mixing it up a bit, right? So I think it's in beta, but I would check your style profile. Because they've added an option where you can get more than the 5 items. You can get 6, 7, or 8. I've chose the 8, and you just have to keep the 5 or more to get the 25% off. So you don't have to keep all. So by getting more items, you have a better chance of getting things that you will like, right? I love that. They have the preview, which is awesome. They also have the freestyle. So if you can't wait for an item, you want it right away, and you want to grab it, you can do that. I think you have 30 days to try it on and send it back if it doesn't work out. So inside my box, here's what I see. Got my bundles. They do have shoes and accessories, so they'll send stuff based on your profile, which I think is super important to keep that as up to date as you possibly can. All right, so here is my first bundle. I do think I picked many of these from the preview. We'll see if I remember. So first up is this vest from Pistola. It's the Lila fitted vest. I did pick this. I like this. It's like business wear inspired. It's lined. It's really pretty. Vests are still in. I see it. I'm seeing quite a few of them this year, along with brown and of course animal prints. Next up is the Z Supply Between the Line cardigan. How cute is that? It's a little crop version. I like that. I don't think I picked this one. That is adorable. Oh, I like that. Then we have Weekend LA. This is the Rae Sweater. And this charcoal, it's a pullover. Okay. Next bundle, heavy. Nope, you can stay away from all the clothes. Stay away from all the clothes, Will. You do get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. You get a little pamphlet here. Oh, this is telling you they have easier returns now, so you can choose your shipping option at checkout. So if you wanted to pick, I guess, UPS versus USPS or FedEx, you can. You get a label now. This one is USPS. They automatically sent me. And then, of course, you get your pamphlet that will has notes from your stylist, which my stylist is Kelsey. She's been filling in for Janina, who's on maternity leave, and she's been doing a great job. So I'm excited about this. Let's see, next up. Oh, I picked this from the preview. This is by Steve Madden. It's the Tilly dress. How cute is that? Vegan leather. I love that. Has the seaming down the back, seaming down the front. V-neck, of course, is my favorite. That's adorable. Okay, then this. I wanted this. I actually was looking at this on the Z Supply site. Z Supply has such cute stuff. But I was so happy she included it here in my fix. This is the Z Supply Isabel Leopard skirt. So it's their animal print skirt. How adorable is that? And it is it lined? Yeah, it is lined too. Check that out. Is that not adorable? I love that. Love, 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 love. Okay. I love that. Next up is by Pistola. This is the Dakota Pant. I picked these from the preview as well. These are a really nice, thicker fabric. The side pockets there. The patch pocket as well, so it's actually like the 3D pocket, I think, where it's kind of sticking out here a little bit. Maybe not, maybe just the pleats on the side. So cargo style, has the zippers here and the jogger bottom. Those are cute. See, this is good stuff. The Stitch Fix has gotten so much better over the course of the last year or 18 months, like so much better. I get fabulous pieces from them now. This is Just USA Phillip High Rise Raw Hem Straight Leg Jean. I picked this also from the preview. Thought they looked cute. Nice straight leg. Adorable. Okay, and my last item, this is all fabulous, is by Daze Denim. And it is the Westward barrel. They have stretch. Little bit. Yeah, a little bit. All right. I think this is going to be a great try on. First outfit. All right. So I put on the Daze barrel leg and this cute little pullover by Weekend. Both of these are such nice cozies. Perfect for work from home days. So I'm enjoying this. So the barrels are here to stay, right? This is another hot trend for the fall season. They came out, I think, last year really strong, continuing this year. This is just the alternative to the boyfriend, right? Very, very relaxed, very comfortable. As I said, perfect for work from home days, perfect for travel. Just really, really nice. This pair by Daze I really enjoying. They're not too exaggerated. I don't like the horseshoe, but that doesn't have that. It does have the little extra room here at the knee. They're a really nice length for me, so I'm really liking them. What do you guys think? Have you tried the barrel? And then this gray pullover, simple and easy, little V-neck. Neutral will go with everything. I did a front tuck, but you could leave it out. All right, so the Daze Denim Westward barrel leg jean, I'm wearing a $298. The Weekend Rae Sweater, I'm wearing an extra small, $79. Next outfit, now I have on the Pistola pants and the little cropped cardigan by Z Supply. This is adorable. I really like both of these pieces. Again, perfect travel or work from home pieces because they're just so laid back and cozy. So these are loose. I can't decide if I need a smaller size because I have a little bit of extra room in the crotch. But I think they're meant to be super relaxed, which they are. They have the pockets here on the side, the fun zippers. I really like them. They're so comfy on. Drawstring, they have a button front and then a drawstring waist, which maybe I could try to make it a little bit tighter, pull them up a little bit. We could try that. That's a little bit better, right? Yeah, that's a little bit better. And this sweater is adorable. So it's got the striping in it. Dexter is all hyper because Loki can fit out of the fence and he can't. All right, so for these pieces, I think more winners. What am I going to do? The Pistola Dakota suiting cargo jogger pant, I'm wearing a $128. And the Z Supply between the line cardigan, I'm wearing an extra small, $88. So cute. Next outfit, now I have on the Just USA Leopard straight leg and the Pistola vest. My stylist did a great job on this collection. Okay, so for the pants, really, really nice. I love the straight leg. They're the perfect length for me. I have a little bit of a heel on, but super cute. They flare out just so they're a straight leg, but I can see it looks like they flare out just a little bit there at the bottom, but super comfortable. And then this suiting vest is adorable, although I'm gonna have to size up. I had a hard time buttoning this button right here, but I love how it veers out here at the hip. And I actually do have room, which I'm shocked at the hip. It's here where I'm missing the room. It's so super elevated that I'm enjoying it quite a bit. Very edgy. So the leopard with the vest, it's just very edgy in my opinion. Okay, so for the Pistola Lila fitted vest, I'm wearing an extra small, $158. And then for the Just USA Phillip High Rise Raw Hem Straight, I'm wearing a $269. Next up, I'm so excited about this skirt. Apparently, so is Dexter. I love, love, love this skirt by Z Supply. Looks really nice with the vest. So I'm loving this little flirty bottom. I think that is adorable. Little wrinkled from the box, but I think you get the drift. And then it is lined, which I love. It is so cute. I love everything about it. It's just a pull-on, elastic waist. Yes, 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 yes. I love it. Love it, love it. All right, so for the Z Supply Isabel Leopard skirt, I'm wearing an extra small, $98. I think we're down to the last outfit. Final outfit is this Steve Madden dress. So it does have pockets. It has the bubble sleeve detail here, V-neck, which I love. It is a mini skirt, but it is coming down past my fingers, luckily, and it does pass the sit test. I think this is super cute. Put on a pair of leopard shoes. How nice would that be for a date night look? It does have the seaming detail down the front as well as down the back. So I feel like this box hit so many of the fall trends, right? With the leather, the leopard, we have the cropped cardigan, we have the barrel. We're hitting so many. The bubble hem here, this is the bubble sleeve. So many of the trends. So this is the Steve Madden Apparel Tilly dress. I'm wearing a 2, and it was $99. So for everything, all 8 pieces, $817. I'd get 25% off if I keep 5 or more. So 25% off all is $204. So $612 for all 8 pieces. And considering the average price of everything here is $100, I don't think that's too bad. But let's talk about what the keepers are. Okay, let's talk about these pieces. I thought this was an amazing box. I can't wait to see the replay because it's harder for me to see what I look like in this tiny little camera without a full-length mirror. So a lot of times I think something looks great and then I see it in the replay and I'm like, probably not as great as I thought it was. But I'm excited because I thought this was an amazing, amazing collection. This dress I am thinking about, it's definitely a little bit short, so I wouldn't be able to wear it to work, but it might be really cute for date night, just for, you know, fall fun. So I'm kind of enjoying it. And then you could also put boots on with this and a cardigan and continue to wear it into winter. So I'm thinking about this. Of course, you all know how much I loved the Z Supply skirt, so that's a no-brainer. I'm definitely keeping that. I really like the Pistola vest, but I'd have to size up, so we'll see if the next size is available. I thought the Just USA denim was nice. I thought it fit nice. Love, love, love the cardigan. Could also wear that with the skirt. Yeah, I liked it all. I liked the Pistola, relaxed, Pant, perfect for my work from home days. I could probably live without this. It wasn't bad. There was absolutely nothing wrong with it, but it just doesn't scream anything to me. It's just like a nice, warm, cozy basic. That's all. Maybe if it was a different color, I'd be more excited. And then, of course, the barrel, which I also thought this was a great version for the barrel. So this one was by Daze. I'm really enjoying the Daze denim. So I think these were great choices. This is going to be a hard one for me. Let me know. I will list all these down below in case you would like to request any of them from your stylist. I'll also put all the information for Stitch Fix if you want to give it a try. If you haven't, I think it's definitely worth it. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe when you leave. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.